Alrighty, it's Sunday. Kind of took some time off. Friday and Saturday. Well deserved. But hey, check how this came out, huh? Got a good shot on that, Joe? See how that joint compound just kind of mellows everything out? Doesn't look like foam. Special thanks to Joe Dirt for dropping this by for us. But, well, what do I want to bring up with you today? Okay, with the joint compound, if you don't like an area, smear a little bit more on there. Relax it out a little bit more. Also, with your joint compound, when you put it on thick, it's going to crack on you. So what you might want to do, just on the cracks, just smear a little bit back over that. Fill in that crack. Mountains do have cracks though. But remember I was telling you guys to go up on the internet and look at pictures? Well, put in your search, put in mountains with train engines. Let's try that again. Mountains with train entrances. Yeah, there you go. But then go to images. Yeah, it's been a long Sunday. But look at all the images. The one image I want you to look at, I can't show you the images because they're all copyrighted. And then, you know, I'll have to start a fund me page just to pay for the pictures. So you guys go up there and take a look at them. One picture I want you to look at, it's up there. It shows the entrance with the walls going into the tunnel. That's what we're trying to capture right here. All right, this came out really good. I'm thinking this whole mountain came out really good. You know, I'm getting a stiffy. So with your stiffy, get your stiffed all lubed up and just kind of pass it down here after you get your first layer on. Okay? That way you're kind of getting the stone effect to it. Just brush it out. You ain't got to put it on thick. Just brush it out. When you go to paint, paint's going to pick all that up and it's going to look like stone. Alright. So apparently while I'm doing this video, there's a guy out there that I used to bumper ski with and hit cars with snowballs. John Bakula. But John's been following us all along. He really likes our simulation. Plus he likes that word too. Thanks, John. I appreciate it. But alright. Got the cracks filled in. I pretty much just cracked there. This is 2 coats. Alrighty. So I'm pretty well satisfied with that. I was going to show you how my train went through these walls, but it got pushed in there and derailed Joe. Beaver Dam. But so here I got my colors, and what I want to do is I want to paint everything brown. I mean everything. I'm going to get in there and just cover it. Why brown? Well, brown's a good dirt. Alright, that's where everything starts, is in the dirt. So we're going to do that. I mean, just cover everything. Get it all looking good. Bring some of that brown out here. There's always dirt at the end of the hill. But alright. So what we're going to do now, hey people, here it is, Monday. Well, as you can see, I did half the mountain. I wanted to kind of recap on this pipe joint stuff. You know, while you're putting it on there, you got to remember everything flows down on a mountain. So kind of do some of your strokes down. Where you see a cool boulder, maybe do it sideways a little bit, give it that stone. But like I said, that was 2 coats. There were some spots that I didn't like, so I filled them up a little bit. Use your judgment. Get on the internet, punch in mountains with train entrances. Then if after you're looking at that, look at the pictures for a while. Let it sink in. Then just go to mountains. Go to stony mountains, grassy mountains. Just put it all in there. Remember, you got to go to images though. Alright. You can see what we got created here already. Using a different paintbrush this time. This one is probably about 3/4 inch wide, probably about 3/4 inch long, but it's real skinny. And it's kind of stiff. You know, it's not as fluffy as this one. So we'll give it a medium stiffy. Alright, while you're painting everything green, or brown, I mean everything goes brown. While you're painting the brown, I got my, well, I had my Picasso board. Apparently it got stuck to the cardboard. But put yourself out a piece of cardboard. Put your colors out, like your browns here, your green over here, your grays. While you're putting your brown in, just dip your paintbrush into the green. This is all going to blend in. The greens are going to act for the moss. Alright. You don't have to strategically place it. Nothing like that. Alright, so you got it all brown, you got the greens in there. Now we're going to start blending in your rocks. This is the only time that you really got to make a decision. You zooming in, Joe? Mm-hmm. Alright, what I'm doing is I'm just dab it in there and then spread it out. Almost to a dry brush, but you want it kind of heavy. Now I'm going to turn this right here into a rock. As you can see, I already started some. You're not painting. You're not globbing. All you're doing is brushing it. Like I said, a little at a time. There is dirt in rocks. So you don't want to make it a complete gray rock. Like I said, all you want to do is lightly brush it on there.